In this video I will show you how to change your ringtone and alerts. Go to Settings. Select Sounds and Haptics. Now you can see sound and vibration pattern. Press on ringtone. You can choose your favorite ringtone. Next option is for text tone. Press on text tone options. Choose your best now. You have a lot of other alerts, tones and sounds, for different services and notifications. You have to make sure the change with buttons alert sound is recommended to be disabled, so you will be sure your phone will ring correctly and loudly. Check up my other videos and tips. Give a comment or hit a thumb. Thanks.